Do you know what this is? It's a magic wand. As an instructor of Neurographica with 5 years of experience, I can explain how to turn a simple marker into a magic wand. Let me guess, you have probably attended Vipassana and other spiritual retreats, practiced yoga and meditation, listened to Dr. Joe Dispenza's and Mind Valley classes, watched and rewatched Secret, tried visualization, manifestation, mind maps, affirmations. You may have traveled to India, Bali, or Thailand to find the path to enlightenment and to find out why your life is not what you want it to be, why you're not happy and prosperous. In the midst of my life crisis, looking for a new door, I stumbled upon a YouTube video. The presenter explained how drawing wavy lines, rounding the corners, and following a certain formula can transform obstacles into resources. I had nothing to lose. I had no sales. I had no students to fill my classes. I was sitting alone in my studio and looking for ideas and inspirations. So I just followed the instructions. I took the first available paper, a pen, a pencil, and started drawing. Imagine my surprise when within 15 minutes, 1-5, my deep apathy changed into keen interest to learn something new. I felt like a new door has opened. I felt so much energy. For a few days, I was looking for videos that presented that method. Drawing, amazing thing happened. I felt so much energy and so much desire and passion to do something. To make a long story short, I joined a beginner Neurographica course to help myself and eventually completed the instructor training program to help others. You may wonder whether this art form can help you. You're not alone. I'm stubborn and I had many doubts, but every time I turned with new understanding and new insights, and that made my practice deeper. With regular Neurographica drawing, I turned from a proverbial starving artist into an art instructor. I love what I'm doing. I can travel anywhere and teach from any place in the world where there is an internet connection. Of course, this didn't happen overnight, but my dream came true. I'm feeling more energetic than in my 20s. I'm well over 20s, close to the retirement age, but I do not intend to retire. As long as I have strength and vitality to continue my activities, I will do that. Thousands and thousands of people who tried and practiced Neurographica can tell you a similar story of amazing transformation. I myself have taught hundreds of students, and they can share their stories with you. No wonder that this innovative art form that's very easy to learn is taking the world by storm. Could drawing wavy lines, rounding the corners, and following a step-by-step instructions make a difference? Trust me, I had my doubts too. But the power of this art form lies in its simplicity. We're using the tool that we already have. All we need is just to free it. If you can hold a pen or a marker and move your hand, you can draw and practice Neurographica. The rest are just techniques that I can teach you, and you can learn how to turn limiting beliefs into powerful resources. You may wonder how to learn this art magic. This is my responsibility as a Neurographic instructor to explain how to use this simple art form. You can find many videos on my YouTube channel that explain how to apply this simple method. Or if you really want to learn how it works and why it works, you're welcome to check my website. Please see the link below and find many courses. So hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's continue creating our life that we desire and deserve.